Families are the cornerstone of our lives, woven intricately from the threads of shared experiences, values, and memories. Each family is a unique tapestry, and our own family is no exception. Our family story is a captivating narrative of love, resilience, and growth that spans across generations, leaving an indelible mark on each member fortunate enough to be a part of this extraordinary journey. Roots and foundation. Every family has a beginning, a place where the first stitches of the tapestry were carefully woven. Our family's roots can be traced back to a diverse blend of cultures and traditions, coming together to create a rich and vibrant heritage. Our ancestors' stories are etched into the fabric of our family, and their triumphs and struggles have shaped us into the individuals we are today. The values passed down through generations serve as the foundation upon which our family is built. Honesty, respect, compassion, and the importance of education are the cornerstones that have guided our family's growth. These values have not only bound us together, but have also helped us navigate the complexities of life with grace and unity. Threads of connection. One of the most remarkable aspects of our family is the strong sense of connection that transcends time and distance. Whether we gather around the dinner table for a hearty meal, share stories during family reunions, or support each other through life's challenges, the threads of connection that bind us remain unbreakable. These shared experiences forge bonds that are unyielding, reminding us of the importance of cherishing every moment spent together. Stories and memories. Our family is a repository of countless stories and memories, each contributing to the colorful tapestry of our shared history. From the tales of our grandparents' youthful escapades to the milestones achieved by the younger generations, every narrative is a testament to the resilience, determination, and passion that define our family. The family photo albums are like windows into the past, capturing moments frozen in time. Birthdays, holidays, graduations, and even the ordinary days filled with laughter hold a special place in these cherished albums. These photographs not only serve as visual reminders but also evoke the emotions and stories associated with each captured moment. Challenges and triumphs. No family journey is devoid of challenges. Our family, too, has faced its fair share of trials, but it's through these challenges that our bonds have grown even stronger. The unwavering support that flows within our family network has helped us weather storms and emerge stronger on the other side. Triumphs, both big and small, are celebrated collectively, and the achievements of one member become a source of pride and inspiration for all. Whether it's a first job, a successful project, or a personal milestone, our family stands as a united front, cheering each other on with unbridled enthusiasm. As our family continues to evolve, the responsibility of carrying forward our legacy falls upon the newer generations. The lessons learned from our ancestors and the values instilled in us provide a roadmap for navigating the path ahead. It's now our turn to contribute to the narrative, adding our own unique threads to the tapestry while upholding the traditions that have shaped us. Our family story is one of resilience, love, and shared experiences, woven together into a tapestry that's as intricate and diverse as the individuals who comprise it. From the foundation laid by our ancestors to the bonds formed through laughter and tears, our family's journey is a testament to the strength of kinship and the power of unity. As we continue to write new chapters in this ever-evolving story, we do so with a deep sense of gratitude for the remarkable tapestry that is our family.